if I were to tell you that you could make $500 per day from the comfort of your home by doing something that you already know how to do? Well, I'm here to tell you that you can. So today I'm going to talk about the #1 work from home side hustle that anybody can start today. So without further ado, this side hustle is becoming a freelancer, selling your skills on Fiverr. So let's talk about what a Fiverr business is and how much you can realistically expect to make from this business. So #1, before you even start your profile, is you need to figure out what you're good at. You need to figure out what skill you can sell as a freelancer. And honestly, it could be something that you already know, or it could be something that you're willing to learn. So figure out what skill that is that you have that you can market or sell to other people to make money. So if you're stumped and you can't really think of a skill that you might be able to sell or market on Fiverr, go ahead and just look around for all the different types of jobs that are posted on Fiverr. You might find inspiration for something that you're good at that you could sell or market on the website as a freelancer yourself. So once you have an idea of that skill that you can market or sell, go ahead and go to Fiverr and go ahead and create a seller's account. Now, Fiverr is essentially a freelance website that basically connects buyers with people that are selling things. And they get plenty of users, plenty of traffic, so it's a great place to start if you don't have a lot of momentum going for yourself. Once you have an account, you can then start in the process of creating a gig or the service that you're going to provide. So for our example in this video today, we're gonna create subtitles and captions for people. So it's a good idea to look at the competition and see how much they're charging. You gotta figure out the price at which you're gonna sell your service. So let's just use this person. She has almost 270 reviews and she starts copywriting her price at 20 bucks, right? So in here you can see that she has a basic package, standard package, and a premium package. She charges 20 bucks for the basic, and then there's kind of a description of what she provides there. A standard for 30 minutes and a premium for 45 minutes. It looks like the difference is just how much content she's willing to add subtitles or closed captions to. And this is the title of her job. I will do subtitle or closed caption for your video within 24 hours. And then we can kind of see her description here. It's pretty basic description. She wants you to message her before you continue with an order. I want to give life to your video, reveal it with a professional subtitle and open closed captions. So, looking off this right away, we can see that there's a ton of grammar mistakes in the description. So that's something we can improve on. And we're looking, they have a little video here, kind of an idea of what she provides. Kind of how she can add those subtitles and captions. And then she has some examples of what she can do, right? So she has some examples of her own work posted within the gig. So you can kind of get an idea of what she can do for you. So, if we're doing some simple math, let's say her average sale is $30. So she has at least 270 customers, right? Because she has 269 reviews. Not everyone's going to leave a review, right? So let's say 270 and we times that by 30, that's $8,100. So once you have your Fiverr account, you again want to create your gig. Look at what other people are doing. Figure out what's working well for them. Create a good search optimized title for your gig or your service. Then figure out how much you're gonna charge, your pricing, if you're gonna offer more than one package, a basic, standard, or premium service, and then figure out the pricing for each. Once you do that, write a description about the service you're providing. Make sure that you add a lot of keywords, you're as descriptive as possible so that it's search optimized. So that when people are searching for your service, you're gonna rank ahead of others because of your description, because of the keywords that you're entering in. So once you do that, you can then create lots of similar gigs. So for example, let's say you create a gig for subtitling and closed captioning. You could do one gig together, do another gig where you're just doing subtitles, do another gig where you're doing just closed captioning, or you offer subtitling in a variety of different colors or fonts. And the reason that you're going to want to do that is because that's going to help you get more jobs because your services are out there more. There's a higher chance that someone's going to search and find your job. I probably get 5 to 7 different jobs every week. My average price is probably around $50. Now, I decline a lot of job offers because I don't have a lot of time to accept all of them. But if you do the math, if you take 50 times 7, that's about $350 a week, extra money for just a few hours of my life. It's well worth it for me. Now, if I wanted to make $500 every day off this business, I could accept a lot more jobs and do this full time. So you can definitely expect to make some real money from this side hustle. I know it works from my personal experience. I've literally done it. So I know that you can do it, and I have no doubt that you could do it better. So if you want a more in-depth explanation of how to create a Fiverr business step by step, or you want to know more about how I've made money from Fiverr, please leave a comment, smash the like button, and subscribe. If this video gets 5,000 likes, which is more than any video that I've created or published so far on YouTube, then I'm going to know that this is something of value to you, and I'll create 2 new videos, one going through the process of literally creating a Fiverr business, and 2 explaining a little bit more about how I've been making money off Fiverr and how I got my Fiverr business to work. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it, and have a great rest of your day.